Now here in number 63, we notice that we've got some things in common here. There's three a's here and there's an a here. So let's start by factoring out that a. So by doing so, we'll get an a here, and then we're left with 16a squared, a minus 9 equals 0, and we notice that this binomial here is the difference of two squares. So we're going to get a, don't forget to bring the a down, and then we'll get our conjugates equal to 0. So we'll get 4a, 4a, 3 and 3 will make 1 plus, 1 minus. And now we can read off the solution here. A is going to be, now we've got a variable factor here, so we'll get 0. I didn't mean to write over that. And then we've got variable factor here, so change the sign, divide by the constant. So we'll get negative, if I can do that, negative 3 over 4. And from this over here, we'll get positive 3 over 4. Positive 3 over 4. So notice we have three solutions, and we have a cubic. When we had quadratics, we had two solutions, and when we had linears, first degrees, we had one solution. Now you notice in this problem, we're given a cubic. So we're expecting three answers, three values, three solutions to this problem. So first of all, I see I've got all the terms on one side, 0 on the other, and there's at least one x common to all three terms. So let's factor out that x. We'll get x times, and if I pull an x out of each one of these, we're left with x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Let's see if we can factor that trinomial. So we'll get x, here's our two parentheses, thinking we can do this. How about x and x? A 12 and a 1 is not going to give us a 4. A 3 and a 4 will not give us a 4, but a 6 and a 2, I think that'll do it. How about a negative 6 and a plus 2? So we can get our solutions from the first factor, this one right here. What's going to make that 0? 0. This one here will get a 6. This one here will get a negative 2. So we'll get a 6 and a negative 2. There's our three solutions to this cubic.